Welcome back to No GMO Kitchen, the Manc menu. Today I'm going to be doing something called a gyro here in the States, or gyro, but in England it's what's known as a Madonna kebab. It usually comes with tzatziki sauce, so we're going to give that a go as well. I'm using 2 pounds of lamb for this, but you can use lamb, you can use beef, you can use half lamb, half beef, you can even use pork. 2 teaspoons of garlic powder, 2 teaspoons of oregano, 2 teaspoons coriander powder, 2 teaspoons of cumin, 2 teaspoons paprika, then 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, then 2 teaspoons of marjoram, add salt and pepper to taste, then mix everything together. Put this in the fridge for at least 4 hours, or even up to overnight. Cut 1 onion and put it in the blender. Now this is a garlic heavy dish, so peel 2 bulbs and put them into the blender. Cut about 4 rashers of bacon and put that in also. Okay. Once they're blitzed, add 1 heaped tablespoon of Greek yogurt. This is going to help to bind everything together. After that, begin to add the mince. If you can't do it all in one go, do it in batches. Once everything is blitzed, scoop onto the parchment paper and form into a kind of loaf shape. Then roll into a sausage. Now the parchment paper won't hold it all alone, so then we have to cover it in foil and roll it again. Now this is very important. Do not have the meat touch the foil direct, as it's made of aluminium, and when it gets hot it releases toxins which will seep into the meat. The parchment paper will protect it. You can use foil to wrap your butties in or a slice of pizza, just as long as it's cold. And then we cut off the ears. Then place a skewer into each end. Place in a preheated oven at 350 for an hour. As the meat cooks, peel and finely chop a cucumber. Put it in a bowl that has a cheesecloth in it. Add some salt to draw out the water and place aside. Grab a couple of mint leaves and chop. Then do the same to the coriander. Now I'm only making a small portion here, but if you intend on making a bigger batch, it's 1 part mint to 3 parts coriander, or cilantro if you're in the States. Then add a small carton of Greek yogurt. Then add 2 minced garlic cloves. 2 tablespoons of lemon. Then add black pepper. Now after about 10 minutes, the water should have released from the cucumber, so wring it out and place in the bowl. Then add a teaspoon of honey and a teaspoon of rice wine vinegar. Stir again and then finish off with a teaspoon of virgin olive oil. Place this in the fridge for at least half an hour. Once the meat's done, take off the foil and place back under the grill to brown the outside. Take the meat and with some lettuce, onions and tomato, place it on a pita bread. Add a spoon or 2 of tzatziki sauce and enjoy. For the remainder, cut into slices, place in a dish and pop into the freezer. A doner can sometimes have a bad reputation for using below par ingredients and even mystery meat. So this way you'll not only be having an amazing tasting kebab, but you'll know it's made the best way it can be.
Normally I don't eat that stuff, but it is very delicious.
What's it called in American?
Gyro?
You know what it's called in England?
What?
Madonna kebab.